So here we have a question. 27 minus 9 divide 3 plus 4. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. And here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, we have one subtraction, one division, and one addition. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve this division. Okay. So is equal to 27 minus, now 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3 plus 4. Now here we have subtraction and here we have addition. In addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve this subtraction. So 27 minus 3 is equal to 24 plus 4. So now 24 plus 4 is equal to 28. So the correct answer is 28.